A California judge had ordered last month that immigration enforcement agents stop detaining people solely based on their race, ethnicity, or accent without reasonable suspicion that they are in the country illegally. On Monday, that ruling was blocked by a 6-3 decision by the U.S. Supreme Court.
Today, the Supreme Court, the very body that used to advance civil rights and defend personal liberties, has now given the green light for law enforcement to profile and detain Angelenos based on their race. I want the entire nation to hear me when I say this isn't just an attack on the people of Los Angeles. This is an attack on every person in this city and in every city in our country.
The emergency order was unsigned, but conservative Justice Brett Kavanaugh wrote an opinion arguing that while, quote, apparent ethnicity alone cannot furnish reasonable suspicion, it can be a relevant factor when considered along with other salient factors. In their dissent, the court's 3 liberal justices asserted that, quote, countless people in the Los Angeles area have been grabbed, thrown to the ground and handcuffed simply because of their looks, their accents, and the fact they make a living by doing manual labor.
By siding with the Trump administration, this court's majority has revealed itself as highly prejudicial and has further empowered authoritarianism in this country. Immigration agents are now being given the power to profile, stop, detain, and arrest people because of the color of their skin, the language they speak, or the work that they do. In doing so, they have effectively legalized racial profiling and, by extension, racial discrimination.
The Department of Homeland Security called the ruling a victory and vowed to continue to flood the zone in Los Angeles. Within hours, additional raids were already underway, but civil rights advocates insist that the legal process isn't over yet. The case is technically back in the hands of a federal appeals court for full consideration and could very well land back before the Supreme Court in the weeks and months to come.
And we as lawyers and we as community members are going to continue to build the evidence necessary to bring to the court system, including the Supreme Court, and show them that actually what is happening here in the city of Los Angeles is wrong and violates people's constitutional rights. And I think they will get the unmistakable picture that we will present to them, and we will get the victory.
In the meantime, ICE agents will have broad authority to stop and detain anyone deemed suspicious, spreading fear not just among migrant communities, but also among many residents who now feel obliged to carry proof of citizenship at all times. Ediz, Tiyansan, CGTN, Los Angeles.